मोपा विमानतळाक कोणाचें नाव दिवपाचें हाचे वयल्यान गोंयच्या राजकी पक्ष आनी लोकां मदीं बरोच वाद जालो आनी निमणे मोपा विमानतळाक मनोहर आंतरराष्ट्रीय विमानतळ अशें नांव दिलां. मात भाजपाचो म्हणयारो सावियो रॉड्रिगीजानूच ह्या निर्णयाचेर आक्षेप घेतला. मोपा विमानतळाचें नांव मनोहर आंतरराष्ट्रीय विमानतळ दवरचे परस मनोहर पर्रिकार आंतरराष्ट्रीय विमानतळ दवरचें अशी विनवणी सावियोन प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी, नागरी उड्डाण मंत्री ज्योतिरादित्य सिंधिया आनी मुख्यमंत्री डॉ. प्रमोद सावंता कडेन केल्या.
Hi, this is Savio Rodrigues of the BJP. It is an honor to learn that the Mopa International Airport has been named after one of Goa's most devoted and most dedicated leader. However, I have a humble suggestion to make to the Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi, the Civil Aviation Minister, Mr. Scindia, and our own Goa Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant. Mr. Manohar Parrikar has been revered and respected not only in Goa, not only in India, but all over the world as Manohar Parrikar. Therefore, the most appropriate name for the Mopa Airport, instead of being called Manohar International Airport, should be called Manohar Parrikar International Airport. That would be a tribute to Manohar Parrikar, who has been a leader and an inspiration to many people in Goa, in India, and in other parts of the world.